Second line, sometime soon, Brittany Star, Mia Zora and Von Trapp off the outside. We're ready. Race number 7, round it comes, set. And racing, Made Time gets away nicely. Zipping Steve giving lip and along the inside of runners. There we go to Sometime Soon. Brittany Star with a play. The fuller just in front of that runner there is Little Rascal. Further back there we go to Sometime Soon. Rockin' Fancy dropping towards the tail there now. Brittany Star. Mia Zora on the corner still in front. Made Time down the outside. Big Von Trapp. Von Trapp will get you home close. Zipping Steve. Then we've got Made Time in that pack also. That's been followed back there by Little Rascal. And further back we would have had Rockin' Fancy Sometime Soon. Was back there with the Brittany Star and Mia Zora. Gee, it's a good finish. Von Trapp will get over the top of them. I think the pink Zipping Steve was flying and Made Time was still battling. I think Zipping Steve will grab that second just ahead of the red rug. 8.51 and 7 does go on the board. 18 and 34 the winner's time. Running 13 and 78. And that first bit of 4 and 56. So he gets over the top as expected. The big fella, the 5's driven home nicely, Zipping Steve, and the 1 down on the inside, then back to the 7 from the hop. She gets away well, doesn't she, as always, at Made Time. Zipping Steve showed plenty up on the outside. And Von Trapp, he got that clear passage out wide there. He just stuck out wide there. And he's just gone round them, coming off the top. And he's lengthened out in the run to the wire. He gets home 8.51 and 7, 18.34. The splits are 4.56, 13 and 78. And no margins posted there as yet, as Tracy Craig comes back at the head of the field with the charge by Elite State from